Get out in the field and get started on those daunting fall projects as the leaves begin to fly. There's never been a better time to take advantage of the exceptional selection of RC mower units from Cal-Line Equipment. Today we're giving you a taste of what to expect from one of the most popular pieces of equipment in the industry. Go where no other mower can reach with the unmatched potential of the R-Series remote-operated mower, available in 2 separate models. Both the R52 and R60 are more than capable of operating in tough conditions, including slopes that reach up to 50 degrees, making it the perfect machine for handling any thick overgrowth or fallen leaves you're sure to find during the fall season. Nothing is getting in the way of you and a job well done. Expect to see fast, accurate results with an improved first pass yield that cuts down on overall job time with lightning-quick efficiency. Start working smarter, not harder. RC Mowers' intuitive controls allow you to operate from a distance of up to 1,000 feet. There's no longer a need to rely on a full crew, allowing you to not only work safer, but more profitably as well. Own the jobs that others can't handle with the R-Series models from RC Mowers. Reach out to Cal-Line Equipment today for more information on available units. You can speak to one of our experts about finding the exact right machine for you. So when it comes to taking care of your landscape, trees, and more, don't compromise. Choose Cal-Line.